Idiot Limrocks 2 here. As most of us know, Scrappy is universally hated, but I'm here to say do not fear, because in 1996 he appeared in a Burger King Happy Meal. Yes, that is indeed Scrappy. He disappeared from the Scooby-Doo franchise in 1988 but resurfaced in 1996 as a Burger King Happy Meal. You wind him up and he goes across the table with his arms punching like the Let Me At 'Em action he does in the show. If you think that's the only Scrappy product made post his disappearance, you are wrong. In 1999, a comic was released called Scrappy-Doo Puppy Power. And this comic actually had a wonderful ending. It depicts Scrappy as a hero, see? And if you thought you weren't going to see him again in a positive light after the 2002 live-action Scooby-Doo movie, well, there was a special treat for us Scrappy fans. In 2012, something very special came out. Would you look at that? It's the most hated character in movies, television, and books and video games on the DVD cover for the very first time. I love it! Thank you for finally putting him on the DVD cover. Searched high and low for it and I finally found one on eBay in the UK. I've left the link in the description for all of you Scrappy friends to see. I've watched all the episodes in this DVD before but bought it for the sole purpose of seeing Scrappy on the cover. It might be the last time he appears on a Scooby-Doo cover, but if this is anything to go by, I'd say there's hope for Scrappy because it shows it could possibly imply that the hatred for him is finally going down. Well, so my message is, even though he's universally hated, if you look hard enough, there's Scrappy merchandise of a more recent kind, be it the comic book, the DVD, or the Burger King Kids meal. He's out there in a positive light. And even though he may never come back to Scooby-Doo, the fact that he is in all this media gives all of us hope that maybe one day he will reappear. So, the next time you see an enormous amount of hatred for Scrappy, just remember he appeared in lots of merchandise as well. And, well, even if you consider him a villain in the live action movie, at least it shows that maybe if they want to continue him as a bad guy, that he might be back one day from jail to confront Mystery Inc. So, well, that's not very good, but at least it gives us hope that he might be back as well in another way. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and da 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 puppy power.